Hi everyone, Miss Laura here. This video is for Tuesday, December 1st. I have a really fun math activity for us to do today, and it has to do with our five senses. Do you remember whenever we talked about our five senses? Our sense of hearing, sight, touch, taste, and smell. We have five senses. So what I'm going to do here is I have my easel and I have one piece of paper on here. In your lesson plans, you have a piece of paper with a picture of each body part that the sense represents. So the mouth would be taste, eyes would be sight, and so on. So I have five of those. Excuse me. We are going to put each body part that represents the sight up on the board, and then I want you at home to tell me how many of those you have, okay? And then we're going to count them together. All right. So let's start with the one that I'm using right now. What is this a picture of? A mouth. That's right. So if I put the mouth up on here, some gold on there. Put the mouth up on here. I want you to either look in the mirror or think about how many mouths do you have? Our mouth is for taste. How many mouths do you have? Only one. Very good. Just one mouth. One mouth. One. One. One mouth. Very good. Okay, the next one we're going to do is this one. What is this a picture of? Do you know what that's a picture of? Let me put it up on the easel here. What is that a picture of? An ear. Yes, very good. Can you point to your ears? Ears. Ears are for us to hear. So that's right on here. Ears are for us to hear or listen. How many ears do you have, friends? You can look in the mirror, you can feel. How many ears do you have? Two. Very good. So I will write a 2. And I'm going to write the word 2. 1, 2. 2 ears. Very good. Next, we have this one. What is this a picture of? An eye. Very good. How many eyes do you have? Our eyes help us see. How many eyes do you have, friends? 1, 2. Very good. 2 eyes. I'll draw the number 2. I'm going to write the word 2. 2 eyes. We have 2 eyes, friends. 1, 2. 2 eyes. And here's the number 2 and the word 2. Okay. Next, I have this picture. Does anyone know what that is a picture of? A nose. Very good. That is a picture of a nose. Glue that on here. That is a picture of a nose, friends. Very good. So I want you to, I'm writing the word nose, and our nose is for smelling. I want you to think about how many noses do you have? Let's think about it. Well, I'm looking at myself here and I only have 1 nose. How many noses do you have? Only 1. Very good. So let's write the number 1 and then I'll write the word 1. Okay, and then we can count to 1. This one is so easy. Ready? 1. So far, we know that we have 1 nose, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 mouth. We're doing a pretty good job, friends. Okay, this is our last picture. What is this a picture of? A hand. Very good. That's a picture of a hand. Our hands are for our sense of touch. Our hands are for our sense of touch. So if you touch your face, you touch your hair, touch something bumpy or rough, and you pet your dog and you feel the fur, that is touch. Touch. Let me write that one here. If we have a hand, that is for touch. How many hands do we have? How many hands do you have? Let's take a look. 1, 2. I have 2 hands. But also on this picture, there are fingers. So let's do that one really quickly too. We'll do all of our fingers. How many fingers do we have that help us touch? Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 fingers. So our fingers also are for our sense of touch. And we have 10 of those. 10 is 1 and a 0. And I'll write the word 10 under here too. Very good, friends. So we have counted the whole way to 10 today. We found out that we have 2 hands, 1 mouth, 1 nose, 2 eyes, and 2 ears. Thank you so much for learning with me today, friends. Bye-bye.